Alright, so recently you guys have been asking me to do a YouTube video on my stream setup, how it works and how you can do the exact same thing. Alright, today I'll be showing you how to do this without a capture card. There's so many videos out there and they'll tell you to use the capture card, but this will do it. It saves you $200-300. You don't need a capture card. You'll need a Windows PC, an Xbox Streamlabs OBS, Xbox companion app on your Windows PC, and a stable internet connection. Alright, so for this you don't need a very strong PC either. It can be any sort of PC. My PC is a really cheap all-in-one PC. So the first thing you're going to need to do is open up your browser. And then you want to go to streamlabs.com and then enter. And then what you're going to want to do from here is press download Streamlabs. So this will download the software needed. I'm going to cancel it because I have already got it. So once you've got that downloaded, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go and open it up. Okay, so now that you've opened it up, what you're going to want to do now is go over to here. It will have settings, it will have login for you if you haven't logged in already, so you want to press that, and then it'll ask if you want to log into your Twitch, your Mixer, your YouTube, or whatever broadcasting service you're going to be streaming to. And then what you're going to do is put it obviously in your username or your email, your password and all that sort of stuff to log it into it, but you must have already had an account. And if you don't have an account with them and you would like to start streaming with that platform, create a new account. But for all these you will need stream keys. So to get stream keys, I know Mixer it takes 24 hours, I can't remember what the requirements were for Twitch, but you just create an account, request a stream key, you go through a couple forms and all that sort of stuff, and then you basically sign your life away. Okay, and then what you want to go from there, after you've logged in, you want to go to your settings, and then you'll want to go to your stream. It will say if you're streaming to exactly what platform you've already got on. You can play around with your settings. Personally, I have my recording and my streaming set to 30 frames per second because I don't have a very strong PC. So once you've done that, you want to come over here and you want to add a scene. So you want to add one scene. It will be called new scene originally, but change it so you know what that scene exactly is. Like as you can see down here, I've got stream starting, I have gaming, I have my just chatting, I have my stream ending. That's just a bunch of spare overlays and all that sort of stuff I'll access when I want, and this is what I'm using for recording YouTube. And then if you want a face cam overlay, you want to go add, and there is your display capture right there, and then this one here is your video capture, which is your webcam, and it will originally display up like this, but you can obviously get webcam overlays and all alerts and all that sort of stuff, which you can also do doing this method. You want to go ahead and open your Xbox companion app, and while that is opening, you're going to want to turn on your Xbox. It can be an Xbox, Xbox One S, and Xbox One X, any sort of. I'm pretty sure the brand new Xbox that is going to come out very soon will be able to do this exact same thing. So what it will do, it will immediately bring you to this screen. So on this screen here, you're going to want to go down to connections, which is the second last tab just above settings, and connections, you'll click on that and it'll take you to this page. This page will be Xboxes that are connected to the same network as your PC, and then your PC, they connect to each other. It's really cool. And so what you want to do is up on the left here, under where my my thing is, it will say the name of the Xbox, which I'm not showing mine, and then it will also over here it will also say the game that you're currently playing. Mine will be on home at the moment. Then it will say stream, test streaming. Test streaming basically tells you how good your connection is, how well it will run, all that sort of stuff. You can do that if you want, but I honestly don't see any point in doing it. I usually just press straight over to stream, and then that will come up with this page. Will like load up, and then you'll press continue, because that's just basically saying you don't have a controller plugged in to your PC. Give it a couple seconds to load. It'll start off with really low quality as you've seen, and then we'll load up into something like this. So as you can see, it's all in time. Once it's all loaded up and all that sort of stuff, it's perfect in time, like completely in time with each other. Now, the only downside to this is if you want your chat to hear you and your stream, your voice to come through your stream, you will have to have your headset and mic plugged in to the PC. So to do that, you'll either have an AUX cord or an AUX plug-in, or if you've got a USB mic or something like that, just plug it into your PC, because it won't pick up your in-game, like if you go and enter a party in your Xbox, it won't pick that up in your stream. But the good news is, if you still want to be in a party with your friends, here you can. Here is the party section over here. You can start your party, or if you go to your friends and click on their profile, it will load up and it will say if they're in a party, you can join the party. It'll tell you the game they're playing. It will tell you basically everything the same as an Xbox would, just in a little app version on your PC, and you can still talk to them and all that sort of stuff, which is really cool. Alright guys, so I'm going to tell you the pros and the cons of doing this. So the pros of doing this is you get awesome alerts, overlays, all that sort of stuff, make your stream look very unique and people will remember your stream more. But the cons of doing this is you can't talk to people in-game chat. So if you like to talk to people in-game chat and do that sort of stuff while streaming, it won't pick up your voice because you'll have to plug it into your remote. So if you like want to play Fortnite or Call of Duty and you've got your friends got a PC and you're playing on your Xbox, you won't be able to communicate with them unless they have you guys have got an app that you all can use together to obviously communicate to each other. But other than that, I see that as the only con. If you guys would love to see more, please let me know, because I want to create a playlist for you guys of how to do streaming, how to do all that sort of stuff, how to set up a great stream, equipment reviews. I would love to do if I had more money, which is what I really want to do for you guys. I want to build a great community, especially during this quarantine time. Like so much more gamers and streamers are going to be happening right now, and I want to do the best I can to help you guys with doing this stuff. It's fun, it's honestly great fun. If you ever guys want tips on how to grow, tips on how to sustain people in your channel, and tips on little extras you can add like Nightbot and little extras and all that sort of stuff, let me know down in the comments, and I will continue to make videos like this over the next week, because I've got no life and I really want you guys to have as much fun streaming as I do.